Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you for all you guys have done. Thank you for supporting us. You want to say anything?
Yeah, Merry Christmas. We had an awesome year.
Yeah.
Starting from New Year's resolutions on. It was amazing. So,
yeah, we just want to thank you guys. We doubled our business this year from last year. And I wanted to just share a couple of things with you guys. We are open today from 9 to 5. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. We'll be open from 9 to 3. Next week for New Year's, we're going to be open Tuesday and Thursday 9 to 5. Okay, and then after that, the farmers market hours, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday 9 to 5. But what I wanted to tell you guys, everybody knows during COVID, the prices have gone up. Is he being good? I had a customer ask me if he's my grandbaby. And I said I'm old enough to be his grandma, but I'm actually his mom. Yeah. So anyway, guys, we have had our prices go up on us 3 times this year. And honestly, you guys have been so good to us. We haven't had to raise our prices. But this third time that they went up quite a bit. So our plan is to only raise the price on 2 things. So I'm giving you a heads up so that if you're planning on buying this stuff after the new year, come in either tomorrow or next week and make your purchases so you can still save money, okay? These were originally $50. We had them on sale for $40. And we sold so many that we were able to keep the price at $40. So after January, the bulk mixes are going to go up to $45. So instead of being $2 a serving, it's going to be $2.25 a serving. And I hate doing this, but I know people understand, but I hate doing it. But anyway, and then the meal kit, go up there and show them the meal kit real quick. It's going from $100 to $110. Now what you get with the meal kit, guys, this kit is cheaper than eating McDonald's. That's how cheap it is. Literally everybody loses weight. My customers will testify that to you. What you get is breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack for 7 days, okay? And what you get is you get 6 turkey burgers. They come prepackaged and frozen like this. This is 93% lean turkey. I cook it and season it myself, and then I freeze it immediately. And then you get the waffles pre-made for the burgers, so you can just warm it up and throw whatever condiments you want on it. You get 6 burgers, you get 8 wraps, you get 8 tortillas, and 8 chickens. I buy boneless, skinless chicken breasts myself, and I cook it till it shreds. And then I season it. So for example, this is buffalo chicken. And the date on it is just the date that I froze it. Okay? You get 7 bombs or bars. So we have new bars. We have the Mounds bars that taste like a Mounds bar. Those are the coconut bars. The mocha bars have chocolate on the inside and coffee on top. We have peppermint bars that taste like a York peppermint patty. And then we have these peanut butter chocolate chip bars. So what I do, they're still coconut bars, but I put peanut flour, peanut butter, and keto chocolate chips in them. These are delicious, man. They're all delicious. But you get either 7 bombs. You can mix and match between the hormone bombs and the peanut butter bombs. Or you can get a 5-pack of bars and 2 bombs, okay? And you get 7 mixes. So what you get in the meal kit, you get 6 burgers, 8 wraps, 7 bombs or bars, and 7 mixes. So every day, for breakfast, you have a mix. For lunch, you have a wrap. For dinner, you have a burger. And for a bedtime snack, you have a bar or a bomb, okay? So this gives you, for $100, $110 after January, you're gonna get breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack for 7 days. And literally, the most cooking you do is the microwave. That's it. And the only thing you have to buy in addition to this is egg whites and Greek yogurt, because everything else is given to you. Unless you want to put condiments on your burgers and things, then you're going to need to do that. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that with you, give you a heads up. Everything else is going to stay the same. I'm sorry that we even have to do this and make this video, but we love you guys. We thank you for the business you've given us. And I promise you guys, we're not like seeking to like live for this kingdom. I hope you know that by now. I don't want it. Nothing makes sense. Okay, nothing makes sense. He quit his job, so we lost his like really good insurance, and he was making over $100,000 a year. But I don't think even $1 million a year would tempt me to send him back to work, right? Because we just can't. And honestly, he doesn't bring home as much as he did when he was working, but who cares? You know what I mean? We're happy and we live debt free. If you guys want to learn more about being debt free, we can help you do that. So we've been debt free for how long now? We've been debt free for 12 years now, guys. And to have a husband and a wife, 11 kids, be debt free for that long, our house is paid for, our cars are paid for. There is a lot that God has taught us that we can help you learn. So this isn't just about food and healthy treats market. This is about eating and drinking to the glory of God and spending your money to the glory of God and making money to the glory of God. And money's not everything, but God has a lot to say about money. Anyway, I can do all the talking.
Yeah, you're rambling on and on. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New
We
Year.
hope to see you. Last year, our December was the deadest month of the year. We thought we were done.
Yeah.
And then when we came in Saturday after New Year's Day, everybody was waiting for us in here.
Yeah, and we weren't ready for that.
New Year's
But-
resolution headquarters right here.
Yeah.
So,
But please don't cheat during the holidays. Like, you don't
I
need to
think
make
you are. That's why you're not
Christmas
here.
cookies. You need to buy the cookie mix and make your own Christmas cookies the healthy way. You know, that's what we're here for, to give you alternatives so you don't cheat. You don't make the holidays cheat days. I can't afford cheat days.
She keeps telling everybody she's going to make a paddle.
I am.
Like a cheat paddle. If you come
Yep.
in and say you cheated.
I'm gonna whip the fire out of you.
We talk about having confessional booths.
Yep.
You know.
Yeah, you can confess if you're ready for a whooping.
All right.
That's
All right, we
anyway,
need to
I'm
be done.
joking. All right, we love you guys. Thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for supporting us. I hope and pray that we can be a blessing to you as much as you've been to us. Bye.